All right, boys and girls, welcome back to Cook Place. We're working on another big, gigantic, fine kitchen. That's right, it's a big old dog there. Lots of love working going on there. You can cook a hell of a pot roast in there. Yeah, that's right. We'll go back here to the laundry room, check it out. Yeah, big old place. Yeah, you can stack a lot of towels and do a lot of laundry in here. A lot of laundry. Big drawer. All kinds of fun stuff. Walk around here. One of the masters. Yeah. Mama, she can do her makeup and everything. Not have to go very far. Daddy, on the other hand, he gets to come in here and he gets to sit in here and do his stuff in here. Yeah, he didn't get a very big space at all. All right, we'll go back over here. That's the master. We'll go over to the in-law suite. Back in here. Yep. Yeah, right, way back here. Yep, there's that one. Yep, that's a good one. Fun stuff. All right, then we got this little bitty thing over here. That's some good fun stuff there too. That's a little bit smaller one there. Your grandkids could probably come over and play at that one. Watch a computer, watch a movie, whatever, play games. Yeah, we'll walk back out here. You have a good one, my friend. Yep. Going back here, and we're gonna go on back. We're gonna go to the last. This is the office bathroom. Right there, that's right. All right, y'all, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a great day.